Hey guys, how you doing today? With you as always, this is Cody Hofstreet, and today we're going to be going over how to actually create a loop within Dotloop, as well as use the autofill to save you a lot of time when we're writing up offers. Let's check it out.
All right, guys. So when it comes to getting our documents in order, whether we're writing an offer or getting ready to bring a listing to market, going on a listing appointment, whatever the case may be, we're going to be in Dotloop for this one, of course. And the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and add a loop. This will pop up right here. Personally, I always use the MLS ID. For this example, we're going to be going over structuring a Delaware buyer offer. So I always throw the MLS ID in there because it'll help us auto-populate a lot of this and save a boatload of time. So go ahead and select that. Import the data. Hit continue. Then in your template, you're going to come in here. Again, this is a Delaware listing that we are going to be writing a buyer offer for. So go ahead and select Crown Homes DE buyer. Continue. Done. And then boom, your list or your loop is now created. And again, we're a purchase type. Status, I always select pre-offer. Sales price, we're going to go with $1 million on this one. And then we're going to enter a closing date of, let's just say for the sake of example, June 6th. Hit view loop. And then all the docs you need are going to be right here. Now, first thing I always do is I come up here to view details, and I'm going to go ahead and add my buyer in here. Congratulations, Caitlin. You are purchasing a beautiful beach home with me today. Add their email. Make their role the buyer, and then just add the person. You don't need all that extra information. And then what I always personally do as well is I go ahead and add the sellers in here. Again, we're not going to be sending this to the sellers for signatures, so you don't need to add an email or anything else. Just make sure you label them as the seller. Hit add person. Back to the loop. And now we're ready to go right here. One thing that I always do as well is go ahead and add the docs. So if we're bringing seller's disclosures into this, you'll just hit browse and go ahead and select where you have them downloaded right there. And the other thing, with this example, we're offering over asking price. So we're going to add a contingency waiver. Now, me personally, I created a personal folder with some of these documents that I use most often. If you need help with that or you ever want to set this up for yourself, just give me a shout. I'm more than happy to show you how I did this. But again, offering over asking. So we're going to go with a contingency waiver and offer acknowledgement. Hit copy. Okay. That'll get dumped into the system right there. And then again, we can auto-populate a vast majority of this information right here. Boom, boom, boom. Autofill. Override. Boom. So all that information gets dumped in right there. I always come down here, and I am a stickler for how my numbers look, because I just think it looks better from an offer standpoint. One thing you want to make note of is make sure for the EMD, you're not just throwing it in right there, but rather on this line. Come down here and check all your boxes there. Add the rest of your financing information. And again, you're just writing up the offer at this point. Once you're done with that, hit save. Add all your information down there. You guys know how to write an offer. Hit no. Come down here. And then again, if we need to do the Crown Homes disclosures, autofill, boom, done. That quick and easy. Those are done. Obviously, you're going to want to add the signatures and do that stuff just to make sure that your clients are signing in the right sections, but it is that quick just to auto-populate those fields. CIS, again, buyer's agent, let's go ahead and select ourselves. Autofill, boom, done. So it is just that quickly able to be done. You can literally write offers up in a fraction of the time right now, and it is literally this simple to go about. If you have questions on this, as always, give me or Amanda Bradford a shout. We're more than happy to help you guys. And with that being said, best of luck out there. Hope you guys are all having a great day.